Hello everyone, I'm Joyce from SunVote. SunVote is the manufacturer of voting system. Today I would like to introduce our electronic voting system for government. This one is our voting keypad. Every participant holds a voting keypad to submit his vote. Here is our software. I already started a resolution. You can see after I pressed the yes, the vote already received by the software, and the submitted turned to 1, and the not submit turned to 6. I press again. Okay, so the number turned to 2. After I stop the polling, the results will be shown immediately. It's very faster and effective for your conference. Okay, that's all. Our website is www.sunvote.com.cn.